I would say I think I saw more the potential of the method than the risks. I mean, the more serious people have said, well, this will not be possible. I think you're only going to destroy your sample.
Professor Wolfgang Baumeister developed cryo-electron tomography, an imaging method allowing scientists to see the molecular machinery of life inside intact cells. With the ability to visualize cells in remarkable detail, this revolutionary approach revealed how molecules are arranged and interact within their natural cellular environment. This technology is transforming how researchers understand the molecular interactions that underlie health and disease, opening new windows into the fundamental processes that sustain life.
The biggest influence had a biology teacher in high school. My performance at high school was not that great. He gave me a project in plant ecology at the time. It was really great fun. I simply felt at that time it's much more fun to explore the unknown than to consume and take in what is known in the textbooks. One of the most important attributes of a scientist is to persist. Go where your curiosity is driving you. Don't be deterred by failures. I think in any career, there might be more failures than successes.